In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use categories and tags in WordPress. Mastering these features can dramatically improve your blog's organization and make it easier for readers to discover related content. Start by opening the post editor for the post you want to manage. On the right-hand sidebar, ensure you're on the Post tab. Here you'll find all the settings for organizing your post. First, let's look at categories. Expand the category section and you will see a list of existing categories. Simply check the box next to the category that fits your post. Choosing the right category is key to helping your readers find related content. If none of the existing categories work, you can create a new one right here. Click Add New Category, type in your category name and hit Add New Category. Now, your post is assigned to this new category. Next, let's add tags. The tag section is located near the categories. Expand it and enter descriptive words or phrases that further define your post. Press enter after each tag. Tags are more specific than categories and help with fine-tuned organization and SEO. There's no strict limit, but keeping them relevant is best practice. And that's it. By using categories and tags thoughtfully, you're making your content easier to navigate for your audience and boosting your site's SEO. Consistent use of these tools ensures a more organized, user-friendly, and discoverable WordPress site. Happy blogging!